It's time for another Sunday shout out and mail call episode. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and I know it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're going to get this filmed quickly. We're going to give everyone their shout outs they deserve. I'll have everyone's channel information below in the description, so be sure to check them out, watch a video, decide if you want to give a subscription at that point. That's up to you. That being said, we've got 10 packages here, I believe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know a couple are trades. I think I got some stickers, and we got some other goodies. So let's cut to the chase, and we'll start off with a package from Fisher Johnson that I already checked into. So Fisher Johnson is actually Coin Craze, as you can see here. Dear Rob, I hope you like the coins that I sent you. Please shout out Coin Craze. Even though I haven't posted anything lately, I'm going to get back into it. And then he was wondering if I could send him some weeks to complete his album, and I'll take a look at those. And that is a really cool Indian head penny that you use the pencil to get the design off of. And then you got first, please say what you think happened to this 1919. Second, all kinds of coins. And last, silver. All right, let's get into this first package and see what we know what happened to this 1919. So the first package actually had a couple of wee pennies, a 1917. We'll take that one for sure. And a 1919S, which somebody ran into. It's almost like it was in one of those penny machines where it flattens it or creates a design on it, and it got jammed, and it never finished. I don't know. That or somebody has a tooling machine that they wanted to put a kind of a cool serrated saw edge on it, but they would have done it without the almost the cut in half, as you can see here. It's like it got jammed. I don't know, man. Maybe the viewers out there know. I've never seen a penny like this. Pretty cool. 1919S. It's a shame, too. Look at that profile. It's a good-looking penny that's no longer good-looking to an extent. All right. Let's check out all types of coins. It wasn't all types. It was AU-type coins because you can see this beautiful 65. I just happened to read that wrong. No steps is normal, or at least only a couple of steps. But it looks beautiful. Definitely AU type. And then we have a nice young head here. And it's from 1960. Good luster. Might upgrade in my album. So I will take those AU type coins. All right, finally, silver. The silver is stunning. We've got a 1 shilling with a hole in it from 1883. That is beautiful. And then we also have a 1946 silver rosy dime out of Pennsylvania. Gotta love that. I'll have to check that for my book. It rings a bell, but I think I have all the 46s. To any extent, Coin Craze, Fisher Johnson, love it. Good package, brother. I'll see what I can do about this wheat penny wish list. Next up, we've got a package. Well, let me say it differently. We've got a mystery package, but they wrote United States of America, so probably not from this country. So we know who it's from, guys. Currency_collection_Australia. That's the Instagram of the sender of the package. So thank you, Currency Collection Australia. He writes, Dear Rob, hello RFT. I'm a fellow currency collector, numismatic like you. I live in the state of Victoria in Australia. I've been meaning to send you a small package from me for a long time. Enclosed is a $1 Australian $1 note, Venezuelan currency, and Zimbabwean dollars, as well as coin bags from my bank. Also included is a 56 penny and an 81 20-cent coin minted in Canada. If you look at my Instagram, and again, that's at currency_collection_Australia, I have some nice notes. However, I don't have much red seal or silver certificates. Are you able to send them? Because hunting US dollars is hard for me since I have to go to the exchange shop to get some. I did find some star notes which are uncirculated, but are part of 3.2 million print runs. I hope that you have a great day. Sincerely, currency_collection_Australia. I'll be sure to put your Instagram down below, Currency Collection Australia. I'll see what I can do about the notes. It shouldn't be a problem shipping a couple of bills to Australia. That being said, here's the goodies he sent us, guys. 25.9 million minted of this beautiful 1956 penny from Australia. Love the kangaroo on the back. We also got the 20-cent Australian coin minted in Canada, 1981. That's really cool. It's kind of heavy too. And then we've got the couple of the bank bags. You put the currency in when you want to bring them back to the bank. Here's the banknotes, a $1 Australian dollar. I don't think I have any Australian notes. So this is my first. Really cool. We've got $10 million again from Zimbabwe. I love it. Nothing fancy about the serial number. And of course the currency is obsolete, but it's still cool. I always appreciate whenever somebody gives me $10 million. And then we have the Venezuelan note. Dos Bolivares. 2 bills, baby. 2 bills. Banco Central de Venezuela. Very cool. So that's going to go into my foreign currency collection. I like the bags. Really handy and really cool. Never seen them. And of course, can't get mad at some old coins. Currency Collection Australia. Thanks for the package all the way from the land down under. See what I can do to send you some red seal or star notes after I go through my collection. Next up is a trade agreement between me and Spacenerd. Let's see what he sent. So Spacenerd had sent me some goodies here. Basically, he wanted to trade me some 40%ers for some 90%ers he didn't have in his collection. And normally I don't do that, but I thought, why not? I could use the 40%ers on my stream, and I've got a ton of 90%ers. So he wanted to get me these 6 40%ers. He tossed in some extras. He tossed in a 1944 copper penny. 3 bills. One's a star note. Nice number, 044000603. And then a bill with 5 8s in the middle. And a bookend bill with a triple repeater. 381818113. Really cool. And what's also nice about it is you got the 3s on here. So it's bookends 3s with a bill with all 3s. Love it. That's a cool one. All right. And he sent a note in here, but he actually sent me one on my email and wanted me to read that one instead. Hi, Rob. Enclosed are the coins I am trading you. As a bonus, I included $3 notes, 2 with fancy serial numbers, and a star note. Just to thank you for being so awesome. To save you some time, the star note is part of a 3.2 million print run with 22.4 million printed. Yeah, that's tough, but who cares? We still like them. Thanks so much for all that you do for the coin collecting community. Please let Shawnee know that we very much appreciate her during the streams, and she deserves her own microphone. If you have a steel cent around that you don't mind throwing my way, I'll take it. Regards, Spacenerd. Oh, hashtag smash that sink. I'll tell you what, I think I do have a steel cent lying around. Spacenerd, I'll go ahead and toss it in the package. All right, next up we have another trade from Dude Wink. So here we have it, guys. Dude Wink writes, hey Rob, finds it all. Per our email trade, 6 40%ers, best I have. Threw in some extras, a 72S Rainbow Crazy Cool and a 54 Rainbow, both for you. For you, or you can put into your giveaways, he's got a couple of 63Ds and a 69D penny found coin roll hunting. A 64D, a 64, and a 69S nickel, also coin roll hunting. And $3 coins, 2007 Ps, came out of a single roll that he had set in a vault since 2007. Peace, Brother Rob. Thanks, Dude Wink. So yeah, definitely. We got him a couple of Benjis, I believe, for his collection, for those 6 40%ers. And here's that 72S proof with some really good rainbow tones. I can see it. It is crazy cool. Love it. Yeah. And then he's got a Rainbow 54 nickel, also in great shape. And then we've got the 64, 64D, and 69 nickel. They're in really great shape, guys. Take my word for it. 63, 63, and 69. And then let's take a look at one of these presidential George Washington dollars from 2007. Make sure you check for that edge lettering. So no, none of the major varieties there, but still cool to look. I appreciate it, brother. I'll be sending out the silver your way on Monday. Next up, we got a care package from Robert Johnson, and I already know what it is because he told me he was sending it out of the kindness of his heart. So here it is, guys, from Robert Johnson, 1998 uncirculated coin set. Obviously, these are the kinds of sets that have both the Philadelphia and the Denver mints. So you can see here, this is going to be from Philadelphia because it's got the blue outline. I'll have to check that 1998 for the wide AM. Nope. Still cool to look at. And then the red cellophane is the Denver mint. So beautiful. Definitely love these uncirculated sets. It's not a proof set. These are the uncirculated coins. We also got a couple of proof sets here, a 1999 and a 2001. And I'll go ahead and take one set out of here. You guys have probably seen them, but they're really cool. They come with a COA letting you know what you got. And then, of course, you have one of every denomination. So we've got the proof nickel, proof penny, proof dime, proof half dollar, and then, of course, the 50 state quarters proof set because there's more than one quarter issued in those years, and we got them. So, obviously, what you see in the 99 will be the same in 2001 for the most part. And Robert, man, you are very kind, brother. He never lets me outdo him. I'll send him something, he'll send me 2 things more. Still, I appreciate it. All right, Robert Johnson. Thanks again, brother. Now we've got another package from Zachary Londergan. And then we've got a whole bunch of stickers, I believe, from some friends. All right, Zachary writes, "Hi, Rob. I've been saving all the Canadian coins I've seen at work for a few weeks now. I've also included a wheat penny. Like I said before, I don't collect the Canadians, so I'll be sending them your way." We'll take them, brother. If you could send me a Mercury dime or something from my collection, that would be really cool. If you can't, though, I understand. Happy collecting. All is well. Hope all is well. Sincerely, Zach. 128.19. All right, definitely. P.S. If you've already got these, you can use them in a giveaway. And please open the roll on camera. So I was going to let you guys know, he sent me a roll of wheats, or I'm sorry, a roll of Canadians, and he wants me to open it on camera. We'll go ahead and do that. He did send me 3 2009s and a 44 Wheatie as well, with some damage. And then a 35 Canadian penny. I do have this from my album already, but I do like collecting the KG5s and the KG6s. And then a couple of Canadian cents, 93 and 01, as well as some other Canadian denominations in here. Looks like some quarters and nickels maybe, and some dimes. A little bit of everything from Canada. Sweet. All right, let's get this roll open on camera. I don't know if he got this roll online or rolled it himself, but yeah, it looks like it's got Wheaties in it with a whole bunch of Canadians. So that's Todd. Maybe he rolled it himself. I'm not quite sure. But let's go ahead and pull this stuff out of here. And I'm just going to tear into this because we got to expedite some of the time. I know, someone out there is like, "No, Rob, not the vintage roll." It's not that vintage. All right, let's go. I don't know if it was me or you or whoever, but that roll got longer the more I went. So we got an 88, 81, 69. There's a 73. There's a Wheatie in here. Maybe that's why he wanted me to open it on camera to see what kind of Wheaties were in these kinds of rolls. That is a 54 Denver. Looks like there's a lot more Wheaties than we thought in here. A 53. It looks like it's mostly common Wheaties. I'm not going to name off all of them anymore. I'm just going to look through them quick. So, nice set of wheat pennies. We ended up with about half and a half wheat pennies to Canadians, and the oldest was a 1919, but it was in pretty toasty condition. Still, what a cool roll. Zachary, I'll see about sending you a Merchandise, brother, and thank you very much for the package and for all the wheat pennies. Let's check out the stickers. First up, NATV. Very nice sticker. Reviews, coins, sports, and reactions. Hey, Rob, wanted you to have one of our stickers. Hope you like it. Keep up the work and smash that sink already. LOL, NATV. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I'll be added to my sticker collection. And, heck, if you do sports, who's winning the Super Bowl today? Next up is a package from Silver Giveaways. Silver Giveaways writes, Hi, Rob Finds Treasure. I just wanted you to give you our channel sticker. I hope you like them. We love your channel. Thank you, David Lee and Susie. And you know what, guys? Thank you for the kind words. I will make sure that I check out your channel. I don't know if I've checked it out in a while, so I'm feeling a little guilty now. And you sent me some stickers. Look at this. Silver Giveaways with a dream catcher. I dream of silver. Sweet sticker. And then Silver Giveaways, get you some. With the Walking Liberty wheel on the chopper. You gotta love it. Really cool sticker, Silver Giveaways. I appreciate them. And again, I'll be adding to my collection. Next up is a package from the Gilson clan. The Gilson Clan Newsletter, Volume 1, Issue 1. The Gilson Clan now has its own community sticker, which I'm sure you guys have been seeing them jumping around and flying around. One of the hottest stickers out there. The Gilson Clan. Love the shield out there, the arm shield, or shield of arms up there. I think that's what they're called. It's been a while. The Gilson Clan has created a community sticker to share among the many great people in the coin and PM stacking community. This was a collaborative project among the Gilson family. We sure hope that everyone likes the sticker. Well, I can't speak for everyone, but I sure like it. Man, that's a beauty. Members of the Gilson clan, and look at all these channels, guys. John Gilson, Samantha Gilson, M. Gills, Matt Gilson, Ben Gilson, Johnny Gilson, Tom Gilson. Now you know why? They're called the Gilson clan. Boom! Check out all those channels. Final package of the mail call is from Todd Miller. Todd writes, Hello, my friend. I was not sure if I sent you one of my channel stickers, so here's my channel sticker for you. I love all your videos and live streams and pours. Keep up the great work. Your friend, smiley face, Todd. And take a look at this sticker. Love the black and yellow contrast. Todd Miller, YouTube. Don't tread on me. Love it. Man, I can't wait to get my sticker collection updated. I don't have a sticker board. I wanted to put it in an album. I'll show it in a future episode, guys. So if you haven't sent me your sticker and you want to feature it on the channel, be sure to send it to me. Love the packages I got. Love the stickers, the coins, stuff for giveaway, stuff that I did trades with. What a lot of fun. As I said in the beginning, the coin community is awesome. Please show some love and support to everyone who sent me a package by at least clicking on their channel, check out a video or two, and then decide if you'd like to subscribe to them. Let's all grow together. If you're enjoying my Sunday shoutouts and mail calls, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.